had 2 assassination attempts on me. And apart from that, now I have close to my double century, almost 200 cases. And the whole attempt is to either imprison me or disqualify me, or both.
Yeah, you talk about being knocked out of the game. Isn't the reality, now that there are these pretty much 200 cases against you, which include a whole range of charges? The corrupt misuse of official gifts is one, contempt of Pakistan's election commission is another, but then there are others which include, as I understand it, sedition, blasphemy, and one case which even alleges your involvement in a murder. It's becoming so complex and so serious that frankly you don't have time for anything else.
Well, you forgot to mention there are about 60 or 70 terrorism cases against me. So all my time is spent from going from one court to another courtroom. I have made in 2 months over 350 court appearances, and my legal team is busy fending off one case after the other. But the thing is, nothing sticks because these are frivolous, bogus cases. And what now they are planning to do is to have military courts. And this is right now in the Supreme Court, whether the courts will allow military courts or not. And the objective of the military court is that there I certainly will be sentenced.
Mm. Your contention, I guess, is that you're guilty of absolutely nothing. Is that it?
Absolutely nothing. Look, Stephen, someone till the age of 70 never had one criminal case against him. In the last few months, how can you have 200 criminal cases? And here's someone who this country knows for 50 years. You know, I'm not someone who this country doesn't know, not just as a cricketer, as someone who has done the biggest charitable projects in our history, who people give more money than anyone in our history, so who trust them, who trust with their money. So people don't believe this. And as a result, according to the opinion polls, rather than the popularity going down, it is just going further up.